Ladies and gentlemen, parents of extraordinary students, this is a message you have been eagerly waiting for. Prepare to be astonished and delighted as we introduce an exceptional opportunity for your children's academic journey. Imagine a world where your child not only excels in their studies but also develops a genuine love for learning. Picture them confidently tackling exams, embracing challenges, and achieving remarkable results. Well, that world is within reach, thanks to the incredible study coaching with 9 methods by the one and only Coach Dileepa Wanniarachchi. Get ready to witness a transformation like never before. Coach Dileepa, renowned for his expertise in study coaching, has curated a comprehensive framework known as the 9 methods, designed to empower students to unlock their full potential. And now, this extraordinary opportunity is knocking at your door. Picture your child embracing a positive attitude towards learning, equipped with the tools to assess their strengths and weaknesses effectively. Imagine them actively engaging with their studies, applying critical thinking skills, and adapting their learning strategies to different subjects. The possibilities are endless. But wait, it gets even better. Coach Dileepa's study coaching with 9 methods goes beyond theory. It focuses on real-life application, bridging the gap between knowledge and practice. Your child will be guided to create personalized study plans, develop self-discipline and accountability, and leverage feedback to continuously improve. The results: astounding academic achievements. Parents, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. A chance to witness your child's growth, development, and academic success firsthand. With study coaching by Coach Dileepa, you can be confident that your child will not only excel academically but also build a solid foundation for their future endeavors. So, seize this moment, parents. Don't let this golden opportunity slip away. Reach out to Coach Dileepa Wanniarachchi today and embark on a journey that will unlock your child's limitless potential. Together, let's pave the way for an extraordinary academic future. To learn more about study coaching with 9 methods or to schedule a session with Coach Dileepa, visit 077 986 2628. The time for greatness is now, parents. Let's embark on this remarkable journey towards academic excellence.